So now let's see how we can work around with personal color analysis inside of ChatGPT. So in order to work around with that, I'm going to go around onto Explore GPTs right here, and over here I'm going to go around and type in personal right here just like this, and I'm going to go around and say color right here just like this, and then you get the plugin personal color analysis right here just like this. So now if I were to go around and start the chat right here, then you can see that these are the type of questions that you can actually ask. Like, what color suits my fair skin and blonde hair? Could you suggest a color palette for warm undertones? And I have dark eyes, and what colors will work for me? So let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say I have black hair and black eyes and brown skin right here. Which colors will suit me right here just like this. So if I were to go around and do that, you can see that with black hair, eye and brown skin, you likely fall into a deeper and warmer categories of 12 season right here. Like for example, you can go for olive green, burnt orange, mustard yellow, rust, and deep golden, rich and deep color, teal, aubergine, and then forest green and warm chocolate brown, as you can see right here. Like for jewelries, it says gold, bronze, and copper, and then you can see that there's carbon bags, early tones, and rich and warm hues right here. So similarly, you can see that it sets out the color tones that is more suitable for you, for your personal needs. And that is how you can utilize the personal color analysis plugin inside of ChatGPT.